Hey, how's it going? So, trying to light a cigar here. Little rail fan here. This line was all the way through St. Louis Park. This part of St. Louis Park, all the way down Bloomington, and ends. Goes back towards New Hope and Golden Valley. It's the CPKC line. Starts the main line. This is the line that the Christmas train took. I went to that thing. You saw both channels at Christmas. So, right here, parked over here, a restaurant there. Kind of a cool restaurant. Cruise on up here. So it cruises through a lot of. I used to live on the line, so. But it's they've been bitching. I guess this line has been at night. I've walked parts of it, so goes all the way through Golden Valley, through New Hope, goes out of the house. They're bitching that it. Well, that's the way she blows, man. You bought your house, you're next to a railroad track. We can hear ours across the highway where she goes, but how many walks into that way? That goes all the way, zigzag past a bunch of houses in St. Louis Park over to Minnehaha, and then cruises into Bloomington, across 494, under crosstown. So there's a lot, still places way down there that use the line. So there's that one, the abandoned one I walked 3 years ago for fun. That goes across the Minnesota. They should make that into a bike trail, like the last one you saw in Venice Heights. That's what I can do every other day. It's kind of a cool train how it goes. I noticed that there's been some what's that one train place they're combining together? It's going to be a transatlantic. Trains have a great history in this country. So, August 1st, 2025. We're rail fanning, cruising right along here. So, it is what it is. People bitch about trains. Half your stuff you have in your back brought to you by trains. So, I walked a couple videos back, way up there. So it's kind of cool to walk this, see this. It's a great day for videotaping. But Party City used a warehouse over there. They went tits up. But yeah, so this goes back that way, goes back to high school, and that's where we saw the Christmas train, and it stopped in Golden Valley. I've rail fanned across the river, across 394 there. Boy, I tell you, you can tell the smoke today. It's really bad today. Real bad. You can feel it. My eyes are burning. Yep. See if we can get across the trans here. All right, perfect. No one's coming our way. We're cruising across the railroad track here. But people are bitching in the area here that the trains are coming at night. Well, that's the way she goes. I'm gonna. My favorite guy that I pimped on the other channel was what the hell is his name again? Hobo Shoestring. He passed away, fell into some lake, I guess, in lovely and talented Tennessee. So he lost his footing, whatever else. So he'd go see his dad or mom or his mother in Alaska and would get arrested all the time. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah, so people are bitching in the houses because they're coming across there at night. But that's what they're doing, man. That's the way she goes. Yeah, they're still hauling freight. Wherever this is, right here. So I'm gonna probably rail fan off of Cedar Lake Road. Kind of goes behind Home Depot there, Home Schmeekel. We'll go behind there. So I was here last time, but we can kind of keep going. Rail fanning right along here in St. Louis Park. So I guarantee it, they get good and loud right here. Guarantee it. Train spotting. Last time I think I was here about a month ago. You guys saw me come up this way, so I'm kind of going backwards where I was. So kind of cool because it goes over Milwaukee Road and that way. So Milwaukee Junction. But yeah, it's just a great day to make videos. I mean, I like my GoPro, but this thing is this DJI doesn't get so hot. The other one does, so yeah, you know what the hell. Milwaukee Junction. What the hell, right? A little rail fanning doesn't hurt anybody, right? Kind of hang out in the outskirts, walking the railroad tracks. One thing I've always said is it's too bad they blocked this off. Be able to get across the railroad track, but they did that over there by my house. It was a really great place to get along out of my neighborhood, and before we moved, they blocked it. It's too bad. But it is what it is, man. I don't know why they don't pick that stuff up. I don't get it. Yeah, Hobo Shoestring. He was someone's making money on that. He passed away about a year and a half ago. I remember it came through, so I got like 21,000 views on a channel when I did the taps for the guy. So, yeah. Once in a while, you gotta go look for trains. When I walk the railroad tracks, think of my dad and walking on the railroad tracks right behind my house. We had the time of our lives. We had fun. So yeah, they're only here at night now, I guess. So people are all pissed off, but that's the way it is. That's the way she goes. They're gonna do what they have to do, get the freight out. So, but so we'll walk up here a little farther, turn around. The fires from Canucks are real bad. But I'll rail fan from Cedar Lake Road to 394 when I get a chance. Go behind Home Depot and anything else, and maybe if I get a chance, I'll walk that way. Have her drop me off and walk towards down there by 494 or something. So kind of a cool little walk down the railroad tracks. So what the hell? So yeah, over here they had the Socialist train is over here. See, those should be picked up because someone could throw those at somebody. The hell, huh? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna walk across that other connector one I did the last time, and we'll get back. All right?